That's your helper?
It's my helper. He's supervising.
Looks like he's running. Don't make me go inside! Don't make me go inside!
Don't make me clean! Don't make me clean! The last bit of cleaning, desalinating everything, including the ocean. So we're making water and just, wow, lots of cleaning after almost 30 days at sea. Grab a cushion, Singa. These screens are for more than just protection from the sun. They also protect from all the flying fish that try to get back in the boat.
All the way up there, it's crazy.
And that would be about head height. Straight up take you out.
While Nikki's scrubbing away out there, I am downloading cards, backing everything up on the different hard drives, and starting to edit the video, sort of loosely put it together. That is the deal. She's outside working, I'm in here working, we're both sweating our butts off. Well, we've been here and blown through a week and a couple days, maybe nine, maybe 10. It's just blown by, but this is kind of our daily ritual.
So we've gotten into a bit of a routine being here, which is where we walk up this hill to get our daily Wi-Fi pass. Bonjour, Sandra. Bonjour. It's certainly not fast Wi-Fi. Whenever we do the speed test, it is half the speed of dial-up, but it is $5 for a day, and it's 24 hours, 9 to 9. Or you can, the local cell phone company has like a little spot here and you can pick that up, but it's $5 per hour and it's the same speed. So she's doing a nice service.
Then we come back to the boat, drop off our computer, pick up our grocery bags, go into town. 2 miles.
Explosions like a heartbeat. Yeah, my mind's keen rushes of emotion. Now let's do it again.
Hiva Oa is the second largest island in the Marquesas at 124 square miles and home to just over 2,000 people. That's about a third of the size of Dallas, Texas, and only a tiny fraction of a percent of the population. Local legend is the gods created the Marquesas as their home, forming one big house. Hiva Oa translates to long ridgepole, meaning this is the main beam of the house. Looking around, the word heavenly does come to mind, and the Polynesian tiki gods are everywhere.
The sweetness and adventure without a venture. TV's got your mind stuck on good reality. We are young. Life's much more.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, Cleo. Papaya?
Papaya. Voilà.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci. Comment c'est demain? Okay.
It is 11 o'clock, which is really late for around here. So sadly, Ceciliu, can't get her name right. She was kind of out of stuff, but she has so much fresh local stuff, fruits and veggies and everything, because these are the growing islands. The Marquesas actually have these rich volcanic soils so they can grow fruits and vegetables here. And everybody says to stock up while you can, because you're not gonna get it once you leave these islands. Next stop is the boulangerie. I'm reusing my bread bag from the other day.
Boulangerie, which is right here. Bonjour. Wow, lots today.
Yeah. They're still nice and hot. What do you think, 2?
3.
3? Oh my gosh.
Today's different.
Today is different. So, we're thinking that we've gotten everything done enough. that we can leave tomorrow and start to explore some of the other islands. So we are provisioning up for at least well over a week. So there will be nothing, is what we are told at these other islands.
I can see. And that's pretty much been our daily routine for the past week. It's nice because we get to exercise. We get something fresh every single day, oftentimes a 65-cent baguette. And we get to end our little walk, our adventure here on the black sand beach before we go back to the boat and start working. Dirtiest fuel ever.
Ever.
Jeez. So this device we bought, it's like a portable fuel filter thing. It's supposed to remove the contaminants. Well, I just assumed it never worked because the fuel just goes through like nothing, like shh. I mean, like it's not even a hindrance, and people talked about, oh, it takes so long. Well, now I understand why, because this fuel is so dirty, big pieces of sludge are coming out of this diesel, and now it's taking forever. But the good news is all the bad algae is being filtered out by this little filter. We use a biocide like this in the engine. It's supposed to kill the algae and the tanks inside the boat, but I guess I should start using just a couple little drops in here as well because this is disgusting. Algae's out of the cans. They're all empty. I'm gonna go over to the fuel dock, fuel up. Got my passport and a discount fuel thingy. What's it called?
I think it's duty-free fuel.
Duty-free fuel or something. It's supposed to give us like almost half off. And then we'll be set to go, except for the fact that we have to pull up the stern anchor and move out. Apparently there's another cruise ship / container ship coming in tomorrow morning at 6, so now we have to move again.
Yay!
This is a great anchorage. It's a busy anchorage.
That's Jason retrieving our stern anchor. We'd never needed to use the bow and stern anchor until we got here.
Oh, I have to pull it with a dinghy.
We made a video illustrating it. If you haven't seen it, check it out. There's even a furry sea monster. Big ol' hunk of mud.
Yeah, that's why it sticks so well on the anchor. But, jeez.
Oh.
Yummy.
Nice.
Get it rinsed off before we bring it on the boat.
Oh, you're getting minion so dirty.
Oh. Smells so good. What time is that? Oh, 8:30. Oh man, got up at 5:30 this morning. It is now 8:30. I've literally just finished, about to make a cocktail while Nikki whips up some yummy, bok choy, Asian yumness.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing how fast a day can blow by, and literally I think back, what did I do today? I went to the grocery store, I put some fuel on the boat, I got some fuel in the jerry cans, and I picked up the anchor, the stern anchor,
Yeah.
and literally cleaned up from all those jobs.
And that's it.
Like, God, who would have known that everything takes so much damn time on a boat?
It's a good day.
Yeah, it's a good day. I mean, I feel like I did something, but I feel accomplished, oddly, even though I did nothing, basically. Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna stay here. The boat's coming in at 6 in the morning. We're gonna get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and set sail for our next island. Virgin something.
Bay of Virgins.
Bay of Virgins. It's supposed to be beautiful. Back to those cocktails.
Thanks so much for joining us. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Click it. Then leave us a comment and tell us what you think. If you live in French Polynesia and you want to meet up, let us know that too. Okay, see you next time.